Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Notion planner. First, open Notion and create a new page. Name it something clear like My Daily Planner. Next, select a database type. A table or board view works well for task management. Then, add key properties to your database. Include properties for task name, due date, and status to get started. This foundational setup is crucial for an effective planning system. Now, let's structure your planner for maximum efficiency. Notion offers many templates that can jumpstart your design. Explore them to find what fits your needs. You can also create multiple views of your main database, such as a calendar view for deadlines or a list view for quick task overviews. Consider linking related pages, like project notes or meeting agendas, directly into your planner for easy access. This integration keeps everything connected. Personalizing your Notion planner makes it truly yours and boosts productivity. Change property types to reflect your workflow, using colors for priority levels or icons for different task categories. Apply filters to your views to see only today's tasks or high-priority items and sort them by due date. You can also embed external tools, like a Spotify playlist or a weather widget, directly into your planner for a more dynamic workspace. To truly optimize your Notion planner, explore advanced features. Use template buttons to quickly add recurring tasks or projects with a single click, saving you valuable time. If you work with a team, share your planner and collaborate in real time, assigning tasks and tracking progress together. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Keep refining your planner to fit your evolving needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.